In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know GCash card number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your card details inside the GCash app and how to verify securely so the information appears. Keep your phone nearby and make sure you're signed in to your own GCash account. First, open the GCash app on your device. Give it a moment to load to the main dashboard. From here, look for the Profile section. Depending on your app version, you'll usually find Profile on the home screen or in the menu. Tap Profile to open your account settings and personal tools. Inside Profile, find and tap My Linked Accounts. This is the place where GCash connects services tied to your account, including your GCash card. If you already have an active GCash card, you should see the GCash card option listed here. Go ahead and select GCash card to proceed. For your security, GCash will now send an authentication code. This is a one-time verification code designed to confirm it's really you making the request. The code typically arrives via text message or in-app prompt. Keep an eye on your device and make sure you have a stable signal. Remember, never share this code with anyone. It's private and time-sensitive, and only you should use it. Once you receive the code, enter it in the verification field exactly as it appears. If the code expires or you mistype it, simply wait for a fresh code and try again. After successful verification, your GCash card number will become visible within the GCash card section. Read it carefully, and if you need to note it down for a legitimate purpose, store it securely. Avoid taking screenshots on shared devices and do not disclose your card number in chats, emails, or forms you don't trust. If you haven't ordered a GCash card yet, your screen will look different. In that case, you won't see a card number because there isn't a card linked to your account yet. You may see prompts or options related to card enrollment, which explains why the number doesn't appear. That's all there is to it. Open GCash, go to Profile, tap My Linked Accounts, select GCash card, enter the authentication code you receive, and your card number will be displayed. Keep your details private, double-check the digits if you copy them, and always verify in a secure, trusted environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently locate your GCash card number within the app.